Hi everyone, welcome. Today, we're going to dive into a topic that's critical for anyone sending out emails, whether you're a digital marketer, a small business owner, or just someone trying to reach their audience effectively. The goal? To make sure your emails don't land in spam. Now, let's talk about a big problem. Did you know that over 21 billion emails end up in spam folders every single day? Imagine the effort you put into crafting an email campaign, only to realize that your audience never sees it because it gets flagged as spam. That's not only frustrating, but it can also cost you potential revenue. This is where Warmbox AI comes in. Warmbox is an innovative tool designed to improve your email deliverability and ensure your emails land in your subscribers' inboxes instead of the spam folder. It's a simple yet powerful solution, and today I'm going to walk you through how it works and how to use it effectively to warm up your inbox. You can try Warmbox for yourself through the link in the description below. So, what exactly does Warmbox AI do? At its core, Warmbox helps build your email sending reputation. This is especially important if you're using a new email account or if you're sending a high volume of emails. Email service providers like Gmail or Outlook use algorithms to decide whether an email should go to the inbox or spam. If your email account doesn't have a strong sending reputation, your messages are more likely to be flagged. Warmbox solves this problem by simulating positive email interactions, such as opening, bookmarking, and replying to your emails. Warmbox uses advanced artificial intelligence to warm up your email inbox in a way that mimics natural human interactions. The process is ingenious and simple. Warmbox sends realistic, everyday emails to your inbox, which are then opened, marked as important, replied to, and bookmarked by the system. These seemingly organic interactions signal to email service providers that your inbox is trustworthy and active, effectively improving your email sending reputation over time. One of the standout features of Warmbox is that it automates the entire process. Once you set it up, you don't have to lift a finger. The AI takes care of everything for you, ensuring that your inbox generates consistent positive engagement signals, which play a vital role in improving deliverability. Let me break it down step by step. First, start by signing up for Warmbox AI, a user-friendly tool designed to solve one of the most common challenges in email marketing: getting your emails out of the spam folder and into the inbox where they belong. After creating an account, you'll be greeted by an intuitive dashboard tailored to help you kickstart the setup process in just a few clicks. The first step is to connect your email inbox. Don't worry, this process is both straightforward and secure. Warmbox integrates seamlessly with all major email service providers, including Mailgun, GetResponse, ActiveCampaign, MailChimp, Aweber, and more. Whether you're using a popular platform or something more niche, Warmbox ensures effortless connectivity. Once your inbox is connected, Warmbox takes the reins. It automatically performs a series of actions that mimic real-life email activity. This includes sending authentic conversational emails to your inbox, simulating interactions like opening and replying to emails, and even bookmarking certain messages. These seemingly small actions are incredibly powerful. They send signals to email service providers that your inbox is active, trusted, and regularly engaged. This entire process, known as warming up your inbox, is a game changer for email deliverability. Why is this important? It all comes down to your email sending reputation. Positive interactions such as opens, replies, and bookmarks gradually improve your reputation in the eyes of email providers. Over time, they'll view your email account as legitimate, reliable, and credible. The result? Your emails are far more likely to land in inboxes instead of being flagged as spam. But that's not all. Warmbox operates on a private network of over 10,000 inboxes, spanning all major email providers worldwide. This ensures your warming process occurs on a global scale, which significantly boosts your reputation across different regions and platforms. Whether your audience is local or international, Warmbox helps you establish a strong and trustworthy email presence everywhere. One of the best parts of using Warmbox is how hands-off the process is. After the initial setup, Warmbox works silently in the background, automatically optimizing your inbox without requiring constant monitoring or manual intervention. This saves you countless hours and effort, letting you focus on growing your business or managing your campaigns while enjoying consistent, reliable results. Tracking your progress is simple too. Warmbox provides detailed reports that let you monitor your email sending reputation over time. You'll gain access to key metrics such as open rates, replies, and the overall health of your inbox. These insights allow you to see tangible improvements, helping you understand the direct benefits of using Warmbox. With this data, you can fine-tune your email strategy and make informed decisions to maximize your deliverability. A common question many people have is, how long does it take to see results? While the timeline can vary depending on the current reputation of your email account, most users notice significant improvements within a few weeks. The key is consistency. Allow Warmbox to work its magic, and your emails will gradually start reaching inboxes more frequently. Now let's talk about the cost. Warmbox offers flexible pricing plans to cater to different needs and budgets. Starting at just $20 per month, you can connect a single inbox and start seeing the benefits immediately. For those managing multiple email accounts, such as digital marketing agencies or businesses with multiple brands, Warmbox also offers pricing options that allow you to connect additional inboxes. Considering the potential revenue lost when emails land in spam, this is a small investment with a high return. Who exactly is Warmbox for? The tool is ideal for digital marketers, business owners, entrepreneurs, and anyone who relies on email communication with a subscriber base. It's especially beneficial for new email accounts that need to establish a good reputation or for accounts that haven't been used for bulk email campaigns before. Even seasoned marketers who want to maximize their deliverability rates can benefit from Warmbox's automated hands-free solution. Let's break it down further. Think about the impact of your emails consistently landing in the spam folder. You're missing out on sales, leads, and opportunities to connect with your audience. Warmbox acts as a safeguard, ensuring that your emails make it to their destination and get the visibility they deserve. To get started with Warmbox, simply click the link in the description below. This will take you to their official website where you can sign up and explore all the features they offer.